So hi, hello everyone, welcome back to a rich haircut professional. Today we're going to be learn something like concave and convex and advanced layer haircut. And in this simplest way, we're going to be learn something like front and back, forward, everything. It's like including this haircut. It's multiple techniques you're going to be learn haircut video. Let's get dive into the directly to the haircut video. So on the top portion, horseshoe section got separate and ear to ear is taking as separate the sections, and the back portions has to be directly. We'll start the step by step the layering in the from the back, and the length will be exactly the shoulder length. And remember the side portion also has to be take to the back portion itself. It never going to be given like a U shape at all. Apart from that, help after the comb also I'm going to explain. So and after that I start to the before start the layering one length basic. After that I start to the layering. So this is going to be very much interesting in this haircut video. Must never seen this haircut techniques in before any of videos. Please watch till the end. You comes to know exactly the what and all we done, and you comes to know what and ethics what we are used and elevations and something like forward layers and everything is included. You will to see in this haircut videos. Let's get started. To the one length is got finished. Now I'm starting to the layering in the all the center sections. I'm just picking as to that complete after the exactly straight in 90 degree and just giving to layers step by step. On vertical section I'm picking all the ways in thin sections. Insta and Facebook page, the mention in the description below. Go there and just please follow me and DM me for regards anything if you want to ask the questions at Instagram or Facebook. So the one side is got finished and another. So after that I come to the side portion. Before that I'm just cross checking the back previous hair layers whatever I done. Back completely is got finished. Now I come to the side portion. The one length basic also just bringing overall the hair will be back and just giving as in the back itself one length basic, and the layering also is four directions which is little bit of back portions with bringing them. Now you can going to be see section by sections slightly back forward pushing back. After that I'm cross checking. I come to another side. Before that I'm just giving to the slightly feather forward layers. After that I come to another side. And same technique I'm following in these two. So that I'm just giving slightly the feather forward layers. After that, finally a release with exactly the center horseshoe sections. And in this haircut, I'm just giving it as a fringes and just giving it a pointed technique. That should be something, it will be called like long fringes, and apart from the layer also is going to be blending in this. And after that, I'm just adding the layers in the back portion, center of the exactly the crown. I'm just giving to the complete of the layers. After that, all hair I'm picking, and rest of the curved part I'm just merging in as layers. So after that, I'm just going to show her to messy look before styling. In the back also I can just see very clearly. After that, I started to the blow dry. After that, I come to another side. And finally, I'll come to the front side portion. In this, I'm just giving like feather forward layer blow dry. It's called like inverse blow dry. After that, I come to another side. Finally, I'll come to the front section. After that, I come to finally in the front fringe section. It's going to be finished, the last haircut final finishing. So that will be a complete of the haircut. You can just see in last finishing. Apart from the color also, you can just see it looking very clean and blushy finishing, and looking nice and flexible overall the hair. So this is a complete up to the convex and concave multiple layer haircut. Hope you all understand and enjoyed to this video. Please hit the like button if you really like the video, and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to share with your friends. And after that, I just all the hair I just light fringes. I push forward something it show visible very clear and proper finishing after the haircut. So before the texture. After that, I'm just going to be add slightly the texture on the hair. The texture will be going to finish it up to the final look. So hope you all understand the video, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments below. And if you really like my video, please follow my Facebook and Instagram page for a more regard the detailed of video concept after the tutorial base after the haircut videos. Please don't forget to share with your friends. It's really helpful for me when you can just share this video every time I bring into that tutorial basis after the complete after the video. So this is my complete up final look after the will be looking complete after the flexible and finishing. Hope you all understand and enjoyed to this video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. We'll be meet up to the new concept after the video. Until take care and be safe.